Guys, the bi-weekly contest 142 has just now concluded, and some very interesting problems were asked in this contest. So, as is usual, we have been solving these contest problems for some time now. So, in continuance with that, we are doing it today as well. The first problem is find the original typed string 1. And in this problem, we are given that Alice is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long. Okay, so she presses a key for too long, and that results in a character being typed multiple times. So, in a word, if some character is typed multiple times, okay, contiguously, then there it might mean that Alice has been clumsy. Okay, and now let's continue with our problem statement. Although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she is aware that she may still have done this at most once. You are given a string word which represents the final output displayed on Alice's screen. Okay, return the total number of possible original strings that Alice might have intended to type. Okay, so see here, let's take this case. Okay, so we have the word here. Okay, and we will just concentrate on these examples. So take the case of this example. See here, two b's are occurring contiguously, so it means that this b might have been you know typed by Alice by mistake, or it could be that this whole thing might have been typed you know by mistake. So two, and then for this it is these might have been typed by mistake. Okay, any one of them. So see, uh, it could be that she intended to type it this. It's okay, I mean to say there is no mistake, but it could be that she intended to type only this much and not the last C, or it could be that she intended to type only this much. Okay, or it could be that she intended to type only you know only this much. Okay, or it could be that she intended to type only A and single B. Okay, so at most she may still have done this at most once. Okay, so wherever we are seeing repetition, and that too contiguous repetition, we can think of that she has done some mistake in this. And how to figure it out? So to figure it out, what we have to do, that we have to okay we have to okay we have to find how many contiguous repetitions are there. Okay, so to find the contiguous repetitions, what do we need to do here? So first of all, we can take this character WARR is equal to word dot to char array. Okay, and then there is this int n is equal to WARR dot length. Okay, int n is that, and then int n is that, and then we will have one how many possible string counts. So it depends on the repetitions. Okay, is equal to 0, and then n is that, repetition is there. I think this much is enough for us. Now we'll start a loop, and what we will do that we will go to int I is equal to 0, I less than n plus I. Okay, and then here we need to put a check. Okay, that so we can start it from here. Okay, 1. If WARR I minus 1 equals WARR I like this, then we will increment the repetitions. Okay, and see, the thing here is that if one repetition is here, okay, and then 3 repetitions are here, but the total output is 5, okay, and here no repetitions are there, so the output is 1. Okay, so in case we will in case at most once, it means that even since there is a repetition, even then at most includes 0, so it might be that she intended to type this much, this string only. So even if repetitions are there or the repetitions are not there, that string could be the correct one. So it's better we initialize repetition with 1, and when we return, we just return the repetitions. Okay, so I hope I am making this clear. So see what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so let's first run this. Perfect. Let's submit this. Okay, so this is what it's accepting. So let's go through the problem statement once more. Okay, Alice is little clumsy and she may press a key for too long. She may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. Okay, and it is mentioned that even though she is trying, but she may still have done this at most once. So at most includes 0 and 1. So at most is she may not have done it or she may have done it, and this example also shows this. Even though there is no repetition, we can say that so the possible string is this only. Okay, and that's why we are telling that the possibility, there is no possibility for this string to be having to represent any other value. This was intended because there is no character which was repeated, and there is no clumsiness happening. There is no sign of clumsiness also. No character is appearing repetitively. Okay, every character is distinct and that is uniquely over there. But in this case, this character B is appearing one time, and then this character C is appearing 3 times as a repetition. Okay, so if that is there, then it might be that Alice intended to type this one only, but this repetition plus these 3 repetitions are maybe because of clumsiness also. So either the count of this 3 or the count of this be repeated, that could be leading to the unintended string, or it might be because of clumsiness. So number of possible strings are either the original thing or the number of repetition of B and number of repetitions of C, and that's why see, original is always intended, that's why we are taking repetition 1 as the default value. But if some repetition is there, that we are incrementing in the count, and that's what we are returning. And with this problem is pretty simple. Let's just submit it. Perfect. I hope now I have explained it clearly. With this, I'm thanking you. Best wishes. Happy coding.